So today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail from a picture that you already have from your gallery. So here's what you do. You go to, here's what I do sometimes. I go to YouTube Studio and I pull up a video that I want to make a thumbnail for. So like YouTube already picked this video, this thumbnail. So if you go to edit the thumbnail, it'll show, YouTube will show you the 3 thumbnails that it tries to suggest for you. Now, if you want to retouch one of those, you can hit download thumbnail, and then it'll download it to your gallery on Android, to your photos on iPhone. So I'm on an Android phone right now, in case you couldn't tell that. So get out of YouTube Studio and go to Canva. So for me, that's over here. Start Canva. Now, if you've used Canva before, that's great. But if you may or may not know how to do this, at the top here, it has suggestions. Hit YouTube thumbnail. Now you're in YouTube thumbnail. It has all these templates, and you can use those templates. They're really fun and easy to use. But in this case, we want to take an existing photo that we have, so we don't need a template. That's going to be the background. So we're going to hit create blank, and now we'll get a blank canvas. That's exactly the right proportions for a YouTube thumbnail. But it still wants us to pick a template. We'll pick either swipe down or pick anywhere above that little line, and you can click on it, and then that template menu will disappear. Now what you want to do, you have a blank screen that has the perfect dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail. Hit the plus button, and then go at the bottom and hit gallery. Now, it may ask you the very first time to allow Canva to have access to your gallery. If you've already hit that, then you can hit yes. Right here, if you hit camera, you can just take pictures and add them. But here we have an existing picture, so go ahead and hit that. Hit add to page, and now that's the background. Now, actually, what I should have done, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So from here, you can either use the sliders to make it the right size, or I'm going to undo this. You can go to you highlight the canvas and see how there's a purple border all the way around the canvas. Now you have this option at the bottom. Instead of hitting plus, hit replace, and then images, gallery, right? And then go and hit one of those images. And now it automatically puts it in at the right size, the right dimensions. And because that was a YouTube thumbnail that YouTube had suggested, it is the right size. So now we can do whatever we want with it, which what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, so I'm going to hit the plus sign, I'm going to add text. And then I'm going to say something like, I'm going to use this one, I'm going to edit the text, and I'm going to say, how to change batteries, ? And then click out of that, and now click on the element, which is the text box, and I'm going to click on that element and move it so I can get to the bottom here where I have these sliders, and I want to expand the width and make this box a different size. So what I really want is this to go right along the bottom like that. And I want it to go pretty much the full length of the thumbnail. So this is pretty good. It's not exactly centered, but it's close. And then I'm going to hit done. And I actually want this to be like some kind of lightsaber color, so I'm going to go with like a green. So let's try that. Change the color up, and it crashed to the desktop. So let's go back to Canva. Oh, I see what I did. I pressed. That's pretty good. That's okay. That's not really a lightsaber green. What about blue? That's the right color, but it doesn't look very good. Red looks kind of orange to me. I think I want to go with the green. Oh, I did it again. That's what happens when menus overlay each other. Yeah, I'm going to go with green. Does that attract your attention? Probably not. So I'm going to add another element. I'm going to add, and you guys can stop the video now if you've already seen what you want, and I'm sure you already have. If you have, smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. But I'm going to add another element here. If you want, you can tag along and watch me do this. Light saber. And then go like that, and click on it, move it, adjust it, width, good, color, I want red, I want something that pops. That pop, it doesn't really pop. Lightsaber, how to change batteries. It's pretty good. Could be bigger. I don't like that green. We're going to change that color to a little bit darker. It's better. Okay. And that's it. And then I'm going to hit download and we're done. So basically, I don't know. I showed you how to make a quick thumbnail. That didn't take too long. I hope you guys have a great day. Smash like if you like this video, if it helped you at all. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in there. The comment section. And if you want to see more, you can always subscribe, of course, because I post almost every day. Hope you have a great one. May the force be with you, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.